morning, good morning, good morning. It's Glamour J, and it is the 27th of December, and we just mailed off an envelope to a wonderful nephew of Ray's, and he wanted to come to Guitar City, or Center, and he's just trying out a bass guitar, and the sound that you hear is him playing. So I will, he plays the bass, the electric, and the acoustic. How many guitars do you have?
About 15.
15 guitars at home? Okay. So we will in the future make more and more videos or vlogs about his different guitars and when he got them and the whole story behind it. But today I wanted to share with you some of him playing here at, is this Guitar Center? Yeah, Guitar Center. So here we go. Oh, and I'm sorry. I think El Paso, Texas. So here we go. What's the band you play with? What's the name of the band?
Sangre Gitana.
Okay. He went and got himself a mic stand. Found out there's a 7-string bass guitar out there on the market, and that'll probably be the next investment for him. I'm not sure where you're able to probably get one made.
Not a bad one.
What's the name brand of this guitar or bass you're playing?
It's called Mitchell Bass.
Mitchell bass.
It's a Mitchell Fusion 6-string bass with active equalizer.
Oh, so what do you think of it compared to your comparison to the baby at home?
The price is $7.99. It's got a 3-amp 9-volt battery, double pickup. It's pretty good. You know, like all 6-string basses are going to be heavy. Any bass is kind of heavy. But this bass is pretty good. I mean, my carbon is US made, of course. LA 76 model. Customized. My feature. I like this one. It's not bad. 6 string is this one, and they have the LTD. I think I tried that one before.
The red one?
No, that one.
Oh, the one down.
Yeah, that one looks pretty sharp. It's known as sub for $299. Fancy looking piece.
You should try to see the difference between the $7.99 and the $2.99.
Well, that's a
So-
4 string. I can try it.
He grabbed a 4-string and the bass is from the Music Man, is the maker? Okay. Oh, you can tell the difference between the two.
So used to play 6 string. That's how to do a riff. It's like I lost 2 hands. You know what I'm saying?
So this is a simple fly for you. It's too simple for you, sir.
It's too simple.
Okay, so you like
the
the
6 string.
so you like the 6-string.
Let me try that on the 6 string.
Okay.
Bass.
You like the Mark bass?
That is a little badass box.
So how many amps is the Mark bass?
This one must be the smallest one in here. And it's 400 watts.
Repeat that again, sir.
400 watts with a 12-inch speaker.
Wow. So it puts out a lot.
949 bucks, little baby kicks so freaking butt. I like it. It's an amp and speaker combined. That is really good. Let me try the other 6 stringer.
Sounds like Santana in the background. Who's the creator?
This is LTD.
LTD?
Yeah.
I don't think you've played this one before. Not with me. I don't think I've ever seen you play this one. How much is this one?
$529.
Okay, it's $529. So it's about $200 less than the one he was just playing.
Very well constructed. Try it.
He has a really cool pedal at home, but he's not tried yet. He needs to play around with. And that will be a future video soon, or a vlog, I should say, him playing with the new pedal that he got. I think it, you know, I'm learning. I don't know much about this information, so if you have any questions on this, you know, send a comment or a question. And like I said, my name is Glamma J, and I really am so happy you had stopped by to listen to Ray play at the different guitars here at the Guitar City in El Paso. Huh? So remember to hit subscribe and hit the little bell on your little menu there, so when we get a video updated or posted, you guys are notified and you can see what's going on with Ray or Jay.
The other 6-string bass has a more powerful punch sound than this one.
Well, it is $200 less, is it not?
Yeah.
I don't know if price means anything, guys. You know, I'm new to this area. Believe me, I am not as well educated on this as Ray is, of all the years that he's played. I picked out this one. I'm wanting him to play for us. May I ask who is the maker of this bass?
This one is, it's an SG sound by Ibanez.
Oh, it's an Ibanez bass. Okay.
I got an Ibanez at home.
I thought the body of it. I don't know. Yeah, is that the right word? The body, the woodwork of it.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that was just beautiful. Very old, the wood to it. It's like it's burnt on the edges. I thought it was really beautiful. If you're able to see that. And even at the tip of it too. That's pretty. Yeah, what is the price of this little guy?
This one's $5.99, but it's a good quality mahogany body.
Oh. Oh, yeah. There's a difference between that and the 6-string. Sounds a lot better than the other one. Came out more sound to
It's
it.
good. Very light. Very powerful. It's working.
Yeah, that's a nice one. So Glamour Jade did well on that one. She picked out a very good one. She's learning. She steps back, she watches, she observes, and she goes, she has the eye. Yepper. I don't know. I think we need to get into the acoustic part. Have you play an acoustic guitar for us?